Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are in the best of health and you're doing really well. As you know by the title, today I'm coming at you with the Miniso haul. Guys, I have a Miniso store next to where I live, so every now and then I just pop in there and every time I come out with something or the other. So over the past 2 months I have gathered few bits and bobs and I thought, you know what, it's time. Let me just gather everything together and let me just like show everything in a haul video. Hopefully in this video you might find something that you were looking for at, of course, an affordable price, because Miniso is really affordable. So without further ado, I think so we should just get into the video. Okay, let's start with the few acrylic things that I got from Miniso. First being this acrylic thingy. It's basically a divider. If you want to place this in a drawer, you can just place this and it will just organize your makeup, skincare or anything really. However, I have it placed over here. I usually place this on my vanity and this holds my skincare. It's just a decent size organizer. Even the design is quite nice according to me. It's got this diamondy thing at the sides. It's just plain on the inside. It's got 6 compartments and this basically holds all of my skincare. When you're placing your skincare directly on a table, if you just put it like that, I think so it just looks very messy. Something like this is just brilliant. This was not too expensive. I want to say this was for 190 rupees. I might be wrong. I will check once again and put everything in the description box, but I think so this costed me around 190 rupees. Okay, moving on to the next acrylic bit that I got. This basically comes in a box. It's the Miniso multifunctional cosmetic and jewelry organizer. So basically you can hold anything in here. It looks something like this. Now something like this I've seen on Amazon and stuff like that, and I found that over there it's more expensive. Here Miniso mein it's only for 150 rupees. Brilliant, right? It's only for 150 rupees. It basically has 4 compartments for your lipstick and then 2 compartments over here which are a little bit deep. Then you have 1 compartment over here and then this huge space. I basically keep this on top of the next item that I'll show you. This basically holds my eyebrow pencils, some of my lipsticks, my setting spray, beauty blender, that kind of stuff, and it just sits on top. It has 4 feet over here. They're more like silicone base, so that just means that once you place this on a table or on any item, basically it won't slip. Okay, the next thing that I got from Miniso are these what are they called? 2 drawer jewelry organizer. Price was 290 rupees only. I got 2 of them. So they come in a set of 2 and I got 2 of them. That means I have 4. If you've watched my room tour video, you would have seen this. But this is the size of it. I think that the size of it is pretty decent. I, however, am looking to buy another, like 1 more, so that I have like 6 of these for like storing my makeup. This is how it looks like. It basically has 2 stories and you can't separate it like that. It comes out like this and you can completely take it out if you want to. Honestly, it looks very cute on the vanity or on any table. And you can just store your jewelry in here, you can store your makeup in here. I personally would highly recommend this for makeup. It looks lovely on the like vanity. Looks very minimal, and I think so if you're not that much into makeup, 2 of this and this on top is perfect for an everyday girl who does not wear a lot of makeup but she has makeup, that kind of stuff. So yeah, I would highly recommend this also. Okay, what should I show you next? I've just got like random things from Miniso this time. I got a knife. This is like probably the most random thing, but I saw it and I was like, this is really cute. I just found it really cute. Plus this came with like a cover thingy. I just fancied it, so I just got it. Like, this is why going into Miniso is dangerous, because you just end up buying random things. Anyways, the next thing that I got from Miniso is this 8-piece colorful traveling bottle set. It looks something like this. I am currently using some of them. This is brilliant if you're traveling. It basically comes in different sizes. This is how it opens up. in this case it's a pump sort of a thing. Then you get 3 of these tubs. This thing is brilliant if you're traveling. So rather than carrying your full size products, like I can just put in my shampoo over here, or I can put my moisturizer in here and my eye cream in another one. So this is really handy, and I would highly recommend it to you all. If you're somebody who travels a lot, or is probably staying at your boyfriend's place over the weekend, or your friend's place over the weekend, every other weekend I would say, something like this is really nice, because then you don't have to carry your entire skincare in your bag. You can just pop everything in here and you're sorted, right? It retailed for 190 rupees only, which again is not very expensive, right? Another random thing that I picked out from Miniso are these tissues, and they're really nice because they're pocket tissues. Now the humidity level in Delhi is crazy, and I'm somebody who sweats a lot from my face, so something like this is a must in my purse during the summertime. It came in a pack of 12. I just have like 8 left. I was inspired by hot pink, Pink Panther. You get 8 tissues over here, and they have 3-ply tissues. You can get like pocket tissues in normal shops also, but whilst I was in Miniso, I was like, okay, let me just pick this up also. Another thing that I got from Miniso is this sipper bottle thingy. For me, sometimes it's quite easy to drink a lot of water, and sometimes I just find it very hard to drink water. And ever since this is like very stupid, I know, but ever since I've got this, I just drink more water. It's very lame, but I take this to the gym and I drink like 2 or 3 bottles of this in the gym. Then I have 1 full bottle in the morning and then throughout the day, and it's really nice. This is basically 450 ml and this retails for 250 rupees. This is basically like a cat ear glitter sort of a sipper bottle. They even had a lovely gold color, and I picked out this pink color because I keep on saying that I'm not a pink girl, I don't like pink, but at the end of the day I do end up picking up a lot of pink items, and I feel I do wear a lot of black, but sometimes I do like pink, so I just picked this up because it's just fun and girly. Okay, I just have few more items to show you and then we're done. Let's just start with 2 skincare bits that I got. Now, I'm not that person who has a lot of sheet masks, if I'm going to be honest. I like using normal masks as compared to a sheet mask, but sometimes, just sometimes, you need a sheet mask. They were not too expensive also. This one over here retailed for 60 rupees and these ones retailed for 90 rupees. So this one is the rosemary balancing mask. Basically has rosemary essence in it. It's natural and degradable. I don't know why I picked that one out. Honestly, now I'm reading it, I'm like, why did I pick this out? But I definitely wanted to try this one. If you are in Miniso and if you look at their skincare, which products mein you'll see this sign over here. This basically says high quality Miniso. So skincare mein I like to pick out things which say high quality Miniso, and it's basically made in Taiwan. Baki sara Miniso stuff is basically made in China, okay? Always keep that in mind. This is basically a green tea oil control moisturizing mask, and I was like, okay, oil controlling, that sounds right up my alley. I haven't tried these masks, so I can't really say how it is, but I'm really excited to try them out. Next thing that I got from Miniso was the thing that I actually wanted to go in for and buy. I bought another Miniso green tea relaxing moisture essence. This again has this red thing over here which says high quality Miniso, and this product over here is made in Korea. Now this is my 3rd bottle of the green tea moisture essence from Miniso. It is 30 ml and I use it every single day. If you saw my morning skincare routine video, I did mention this product in that video, and it's actually amazing and I'm still using it. I still would recommend it. So this is an essence, and essence is basically used after your toner and before like a serum, if you apply a serum or just moisturizer. In the past few months I found out that green tea is brilliant for skin, acne prone skin, oily prone skin. It's brilliant, and it's much more gentle than a tea tree oil, let's say. So definitely would recommend it. If you want to try one skincare bit from Miniso, I would say try the green tea moisture essence. It's around 700-800 rupees for sure. Definitely a little bit expensive, but I'm on to my third bottle and I love it. I love it to bits. Okay guys, 3 more things and then I promise we're done. So the next thing that I got from Miniso is this little tool devicey thing. This retailed for 1500 rupees. Again, we'll confirm it and put it in the description box. But this thing over here is basically a facial cleanser tool thingy. If you're up to date with like cleaning tools, facial cleaning tools, this is very similar to the Clinique one. This is for 1400 rupees and the Clinique one is for 14,000 rupees, around that mark. I saw this in Miniso and I was like, you know what, let me just give this a try. The brushes are super soft. It exfoliates your skin like it's nobody's business. Like every time I use this, my skin feels super soft, super soft. I have sensitive skin, okay? I have sensitive, acne prone, oily skin. All of the worst that can happen to a skin, it's right over here. And despite of having sensitive skin, I haven't had a rash with it, or I've used this, I want to say for a month. I've been using this for, I want to say over a month now, and I genuinely like it. Basically put in AA batteries, 2 batteries over here, and then you have this button over here jisse ye start hota hai. I don't know whether you can see, ab ye band ho gaya hai, and now I'll start it. So this brush over here is moving, and then you press this button and ye band ho jata hai. It comes with its own cap thingy, which is amazing. And one thing that I really like about this is that it comes with this case. You can just place it like this in your bathroom, and I really like it. 1400 mein you get all of this, and you get a spare brush also. Now this will last me for ages, I want to say, because I use this twice a week. I personally don't think so that you need something like this every day, unless and until it's like the Foreo ones. I'm really interested in trying that out. If it's that, I think so you can use that every day, but with this I would not recommend using this for more than 2 times a week. So I use this twice a week. If my skin is feeling really bad, thrice, but usually I go with like twice a week. So this will basically last me forever. And then it comes with a spare brush also. I'm just hoping to find a brush set, this set, on Miniso, so that I can buy that and this can last with me basically forever. So I need to do that. If you know kahan pe milta hai, because where I live, it's not over there. I think so CP wale Miniso mein I can find it. I have to see. But again, if you are interested in a product like this and you've been looking out for like a good product which is not so expensive, I would say try out Miniso. We are almost at the end of the video. I personally do like to spend a little bit more on my perfumes, and if I don't like spending that much on my perfumes, then I like to go to either the Body Shop or Zara. I used to use them back in the day when I was in college, and us waqt itni varieties nahi thi. Now to they have like 10,000 different types of perfumes, so try that out. To this day I still use it. If I'm just popping to the market or if I'm going to the gym, I put on my Zara perfume, and it smells nice. When I went into Miniso, I was like, you know what, let me just try out their perfumes. Is this a perfume? Just say Sunrise Perfume. Now I don't know whether this is Eau de Toilette or it is Eau de Parfum, I don't know, but this one, the other one I picked out too basically. This is basically an Eau de Toilette. I'll just show you this first. Now I just went into Miniso and I had a sniff through all of their perfumes. I'm not even kidding. I did not leave a single one out, and out of everything, these two were the one that stood out to me personally. Now this one is called Sunrise Perfume, and then it says Bali Morning. This is made in India. It is 50 ml and it retails for 460 rupees. If I show you the bottle, this is how the bottle looks like. I think it's very pretty. Perfume is definitely very, very sweet. Now, I'm somebody who likes her perfume to be very, very sweet, very feminine. I would say if you're somebody who's into this really sweet sort of a fragrance, you would really, really like it. It's very meetha, very, very sweet, very girly, very feminine. So pick that out. Next perfume, it's actually not perfume, it's eau de toilette, is called Eternal Faith, and this is again 50 ml. It retailed for 350 rupees, so cheaper than that one. So this is how the bottle looks like. Again, I think so the bottle is really, really pretty. I mean, if you just compare both of the bottles, the vibe is completely different. Like, this just reminds you that you just want to go on a holiday, and the sunset like picture over here is just pretty. And this is like a very classy grown-up woman sort of a bottle. I'm so sorry about the lighting. The sun is going in, going out, so I'm so sorry about that, but please bear with me. So this is how it looks like. Let me just spray this. The fragrance is of a watermelon, and you just make that fragrance quite fresh but sweet at the same time. The fragrance is exactly like that. Like, that is the best way I can explain this perfume to you. But I would say out of all the perfumes that I sniffed, these two were definitely my favorite, and trust me, I sniffed through every perfume. These two were my best ones. So that's it, guys, for this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed the video and you like the new setup. I am trying to film in this room because this room mein AC hai and it gets really, really hot. So today, thank God, I'm not sweating. Before I go, let me just quickly talk about whatever I'm wearing and what's on my lips, that sort of thing. So I know a lot of you will ask me, oh God, Vishakha, this foundation is so luminous. What foundation is this? This is the LA Girl Pro Illuminating Foundation, the HD Illuminating one. I'm wearing that foundation today. It's actually very illuminating. So that's when you have oily skin and it's like hot outside, it looks very, very glowing. I'm not mad at this look, to be very honest. As long as I'm not sweating, this look is cool. And guys, I'm really enjoying like really short nails for now. So on my nails, I have this Nykaa nail paint. It's the matte one. I will link that in the description box. Rings, all of my rings are from Amarpali. My earrings, however, are from H&M. A quick shout out to H&M earrings. Guys, I bought them 1 साल पहले. Again, ये किसी haul में mention होगा for sure. I got them 1.5 years ago and they're still pristine. Like, वो blackness नहीं आई है इसमें. It's not tarnished. It's just in perfect condition, which I love. And I don't really take like very good care of my junk jewelry, but this has held up quite nicely. My highlighter is Precious Petal from Wet n Wild. My top is just a simple t-shirt from H&M. And yeah, that's about. Oh, on my lips, I have not worn this color since last year. Rimmel Moisture Renew lipstick in the shade 720 Notting Hill Nude. It's a mess. This lipstick looks like a mess, but this is how the color is. It's a really pretty lipstick. That is what I have on my lips today. So with that, I'm gonna go for now, you guys. I really hope that you all enjoyed the video and I will see you next time. Bye. Oh, before going, please subscribe and click on the bell notification also, because we are growing as a family, which is amazing. So please subscribe before going. And yeah, now bye.
You're a dreamer, so am I. I like dragons, I like butterflies. We are dreamers of